In April 1950, councillors from the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, also known as KSAC, criticized the government, private companies, and the banks. At first, these councillors targeted banks for not hiring Jamaicans who were qualified for entry-level and mid-level jobs because of the color of their skin. Councillors passed a resolution that the banks should change their present hiring policy and adapt those in keeping with the national objectives of Jamaica by employing qualified men and women as tellers, clerks, ledger keepers, and other jobs that met the applicants' qualifications. The council proposed to send copies of this resolution to not only banks in Kingston, but to their head offices abroad to stop the false perception that only Caucasian Jamaicans could be trusted to handle money. But one councillor opposed the resolution, arguing that it was not fair to chastise only the banks for colorism when government agencies had the same hiring practices, especially the hiring of superintendents in the police force. He spoke about the security minister's recent recruitment of a sergeant from England to a superintendent post instead of considering capable Jamaicans for that position. But colorism was obvious throughout Jamaica during that time. Tired of being treated unfairly, Evan Blake, a popular journalist during that period, decided to protest in his own way. In 1948, Mr. Blake visited the Myrtle Bank Hotel, a once well-known hotel that was located at the bottom of Harbour Street, downtown Kingston. Jamaicans were barred from entering the hotel swimming pool, and that was common knowledge to all. Blake decided to challenge the policy. Mr. Blake changed into his swim trunks, jumped into the pool, and swam laps. All white people bathing and swimming inside the pool exited the water immediately. But not even threats of calling the police got Mr. Blake out of the pool until he was ready to do so. The KSAC resolution and Evan Blake's brave action were two of some memorable events where attempts were made to break colorism barriers in Jamaica.